The Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind Plus Upright Vacuum is a vacuum with a removable dirt cup and accessory tools that remove deep-down dirt from just about any surface in your house. With the 5 different vacuum head heights, you can clean any surface. Lower the head to glide easily and suck up debris from hardwood floors, or lift it to clean thick and shaggy carpets. The Accessory Pack helps you to clean every nook and cranny in your home. It comes with an extension wand, a crevice tool, a turbo tool, and a dusting brush. The HEPA Media filter is located at the base of the vacuum and traps 99.97% of dirt, dust, and pollen down to 0.3 microns. For a vacuum that can clean anything in your home and is easy to use, get the Hoover WindTunnel T-Series Rewind Plus Upright Vacuum. For the best all-around value, look no further than the Hoover T-Series Upright Corded Vacuum Cleaner. With Hoover's patented WindTunnel technology, it lifts and removes surface debris and deep-down embedded dirt to give your floors the ultimate clean. At less than 17 pounds, it is easy to move up and down stairs, and the onboard attachments allow for above-floor cleanings like furniture and curtains. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Under 17 pounds, lightweight, and easy to carry up and down stairs. Number 2. 5-position carpet height adjustment. Choose high for thick carpeting or low for hardwood floors, or tile to adjust the brush roll for maximum performance. Number 3. WindTunnel technology. Lifts and removes surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. Number 4. Cord rewind for 25-foot cord. Gently tap the pedal to activate the 25-foot cord rewind and retract the cord to store it neatly inside. Number 5. System check indicator. Indicates when the HEPA filter needs to be cleaned or checked. Number 6. 8-foot stretch hose. Used with included attachments for above-floor cleanings like stairs and furniture. Number 7. Air-powered turbo tool. Powerful tool to suction away dirt and debris on furniture and stairs. Number 8. Dusting brush. Use the extension wand to reach up high to clean curtains and air vents. Number 9. Crevice tool. Clean hard-to-reach areas like cracks and crevices with precision. Number 10. HEPA Media filter. Traps 99.7% of dirt, dust, and pollens down to 0.3 microns. Number 11. Room-to-room cleaning. 5 height adjustments to go from deep carpet to hard floors, and 25 feet retractable cord. Number 12. No scuff bumper. Protects your furniture as you clean along edges of underneath. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.